From a captain's side, I'm very proud of these boys of taking out the time and yeah, to train so hard. Yeah, we're going to make you guys proud and work hard every second we're on the field. So yeah, from our side, thank you for everything. Now it's our job to make you guys proud. We're going to do the job of the best of our abilities. So thank you about everything, and yeah, going to make you proud.
The reason why we are looking so serious, we are playing a test match in 3 days' time. So we've been doing some mental work with the boys. We haven't seen one another now since first day. We gave them a little bit off to go to their homes and just to say goodbye to everybody. So, but I can promise you, sir, that 2 months ago we started with these preparations, and from day one we set ourselves out to make sure that we will make Namibia proud again. We haven't won this cup since 2019, and we really want to do well and come back as victors from this tournament. That's why everybody is so serious. We need to go and make our country proud.
On behalf of the Namibia Rugby Union, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for making the team to represent your country, our country, at the Bathurst Cup 2025. And I do believe that the preparation this year is much better than the years before. And therefore, I believe in each and every one of you, the players, coaching staff, management, everyone. So from my side and the union side, good luck and just do your best and enjoy.